Hello everyone, my name is Kshitish Gurikar. I am co-founder of Badbird, and we have created an application called Dime. Dime is a quiz game application in which a user plays quizzes of his choice and also competitions with many other users at the same time. The basic concept of the game is you have to put the entry fees to participate in any competition, and according to your scores and ranking, user gets rewards. The basic fundamentals are the rewards are user gets real money and scratch coupons of various brands, etc. We are building this business since 1 year, as we were doing survey in the market during the times of COVID. Many people were at home, and we found out various games in the market, and we came across some pain points of users which we ourselves also faced. Some of them were, if game is real money gaming, it is not educational, or it is not uh, ethical. Like there are many applications in the market who promote some illegal activities, like betting and all, and other which were educational, they do not provide real money, which though provide real money, they put many restrictions on them, like they do not give withdrawals directly. They put many conditions, like you have to play 10 or 15 games before you withdraw, or you need to upload your PAN cards or any other details to withdraw. We saw this kind of problems, and we thought of creating an application which actually provides something to the users, for example, which is knowledge, and which should be easy to use, and should be quick, as we take quizzes of 10 questions, and we provide 100 seconds to answer those 10 questions. So a user can play one or two or three quizzes in a matter of minutes and earn real money. The best part of our application, which our competition does not provide, is we provide a facility which is called as scan and pay. We have inbuilt a wallet in our application, which in which the rewards of user, that is the real money which user have won through various competitions and quizzes, is stored, and he can directly scan any QR code in our local nearby vendors, and directly pay him through that. He does not have to transfer his money to bank account or any other application. Now the main revenue generation of our application would be the amount which user put in the prize pool while participating in any competition. The secondary part would be tying up with brands and showing their advertisements. The model which which we have used to advertise products is, we are not going to show pop-up ads or irritating ads to the users. We are tracking the data, which kind of quizzes or competitions users like to play, and accordingly we are segmenting their users likings and interests, and we will have the data for each segment of the product, so that we can show the advertisement of the product to the particular niche audience, and also conduct some quizzes or competitions on those products, so that it becomes more involving. User gets more involved in the product rather than being irritated. As there are some competitions in the market, like Quizzy, Zoopy, Cureka, which are quiz games, but this application does not provide real money. Rather, if they provide, they do not give easy withdrawals or scan and pay option. Also, they are some of them have received funding, so they are promoting their brand rigorously in the market, and they have achieved quite good number of downloads and users, which shows our potential in the market. We also have the same target audience, and as we have better features and better better understanding of the market, and we have tackled various pain points of the users. We can achieve similar and greater heights as well. Some of the applications already have 1 crore downloads, and they are targeting for 2 crore downloads and 3 crore downloads as well. Three strategies for monetization. One is price pool, the amount which users pay to participate. The other is advertisements, and the third is subscription. We are planning, currently we have subscription. We don't have subscription, but we are planning to put in further updates. We have pointed out some milestones in our applications, and we are working on the updates continuously. My name is Kshitish Goikar, and Mangesh Chate is my partner. We are the best team as we know each other since 5 years. We are neighbors and quite a good friends. We have also started some other businesses before this one, and it turned out to be quite successful. We are into this business since 1.5 years, as I just suggested earlier. We got this idea since the COVID started. Main facility which we are providing of scan and pay, the other players are not doing it, as there are many restrictions on it, and we have made this we have actually developed that facility by requesting some of our payment gateways, and developing our application in such a way that we could actually do those payments, and followed the RBI guidelines, so that we are not breaking any rules as well.